Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all parents, chief guests, teachers, and our little masters on behalf of Kidzi Nalagandla. I welcome you all with great pleasure for our very first annual and graduation day celebrations of 2014-15. One of the most anxiously awaited occasions in any school is its annual day. Great excitement and hurried activities are visible all around. The participations for the annual day begin much ahead of the day itself. So now I request our center heads, Ms. Rachna and Ms. Tripti, and our honorable chief guests, Mr. and Mrs. Subbarangaya, to come up on stage, please. Now I request Ms. Rachna to honor our chief guest, Mr. Subbarangaya, by presenting them a floral bouquet. Now, I request Ms. Tripti to honor our chief guest, Mrs. Subbarangaya, by presenting them a floral bouquet. Now, I request Ms. Rachna and Ms. Tripti and our honorable chief guests to grace the day by lighting the lamp. Now, I request Ms. Tripti to share a few words about our chief guest with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Bharti. Good morning, dear parents, honorable chief guest, Mrs. and Mr. K. Subbarangaya, teachers, and my dear little friends. I welcome you all on the event of first annual and graduation day celebration of Kidzi Nalagandla. Our honorable chief guest, Professor K. Subbarangaya, is working in both academia and industry in the area of VLSI design. He worked in Krishnadevaraya University for over 3 decades in departments of physics and electronics as lecturer, reader, professor, and HOD. With his rich university experience, he co-founded Veda IIT in 1997 and has been leading the same. Veda IIT has produced more than 1,500 VLSI logic design, physical design, and analog design. He guided several MPhil and PhD scholars and published several papers in national and international journals. His total experience in university and industry both is 43 years. He is also co-founder of NGO Let's Vote. Also, he is awarded with National Award from Election Commission of India on January 25th, 2015 for his outstanding work for voters registration and awareness in 2014 general election. Thank you.
Thank you, Tripti. So now I request Ms. Rachna to address this gathering for the most awaited event.
Thank you, Bharti. Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to our honorable chief guest, the doting parents out here, and our little champs of Kidzi backstage. Finally, our very first academic year has come to an end today. First year of Kids in Nalagandla has been quite an eventful and happening year. With new kids joining in throughout the year, our Kidsy family has become one big happy family now. Being our first year, we faced lots of challenges and hurdles, but with all parent support, it always felt like going. It was due to all your faith on us, we could get better and stronger day by day. Our focus has been the overall development of the kids, and we shall keep improvising ourselves by continuous upgradation and improvement in our system and teaching methodology. One of the instances is launching mobile application in the coming academic session, which will enable you to get all the updates and notification wherever you are. Now coming to our annual day, very soon we are going to start our program, which is full of dance, music, and drama. We hope that our Little Wonders performances bring smiles to your face and cheer you up for the day. As you all know that kids are really small, there's a lot of efforts and hard work gone behind in their preparations to perform today. This is just an endeavor to make our tiny tots come back the stage fear. We request all parents to appreciate their efforts and keep encouraging and motivating with your claps and huge round of applause whenever they perform. Thank you. So now, let us begin our program by remembering the Almighty God. I request you all to kindly stand up and maintain silence and listen to these beautiful words of all four religions, just to remind that God is one.
Jaya Jaya Giridhara Ishkar Sabna Karta Nirko Nirvair Akal Murt Ajni Sabham Guru Prasad Jap आज सच जुगाड़ सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच Sing your praises. I'm so glad you're in my life. I'm so glad you came to save us.
Now may I request our honorable chief guest on the stage and have to say a few words over the occasion. Thank you, please.
Respected school management, teacher Trupti, Madam Archana, other esteemed teachers of this school, respected parents, dear student friends, and other invitees. At the outset, I am thankful to the organization for giving me an opportunity to come and meet all of you this morning. Especially meeting children is a great pleasure, and watching their performances will give us a joy. I don't think that I can address the children of that age because probably, I may not be in a position to reach them. Whatever few words that I talk on this occasion, I keep it brief and to the point and may help parents and teachers to some extent. Regarding education or bringing up children, Swami Vivekananda said as follows: nobody was ever taught by another. Nobody was ever taught by another. The teacher spoils everything by thinking that he is teaching. The teacher spoils everything by thinking that he or she is teaching. The entire knowledge is within. All that it requires is only an awakening. That much is the job of a teacher. Please remember that every child is born with intelligence. You are trying to help the child to nurture that intelligence. He also says one more word. It is very important. You can't grow a child more than you can grow a plant. You can't grow a child more than you can grow a plant. There is a lot of meaning in this sentence. Please remember that teacher is like a gardener. What plant comes out depends on what seed you have put. Child is like a seed. What comes out of the seed is what is within the seed. If it is a neem seed, neem tree will come. If it is a mango seed, mango tree will come. If it is some other seed, that only will come. What we are doing is we are providing right soil, right water, enough sunshine, maybe some fertilizers for its proper growth. This is all we are supposed to do. That is what the job of a teacher or the job of a parent is. Please remember that no plant is a bad plant in this world. Every plant has its own purpose. In this ecosystem, all plants are required. Every plant grows, gives flowers, gives fruits. So you have to nurture them properly. Don't bring in your ego into this system. But while you are bringing up the plant, you may have some problems. When a plant is coming out, some weeds also will be there around the plant. Some parasitics also will be there around the plant. So as parents, as teachers, we should see that those unwanted weeds or unwanted parasitic elements are not going to affect the growth of the plant itself. When a child is coming up, so many aberrations will come up from him. You should know how to handle those aberrations with love, with affection, with care, with concern. But all these things should not become too much. You should not overdo your job. Very often, out of our love for them, we overdo the job. Especially the parents. There are two types of parents. Two types of egos for parents. One ego is take every care of the child. There is nothing wrong. Sometimes their affection makes them do everything for them. Homework, don't worry, I will do for you. Whatever the child wants, the mother or father wants to do for her or for him. Then the child will not grow on his or on her own, or they can't grow their own inner abilities. You should allow their inner abilities to blossom. You should only help them, motivate them to do that work, but never do their work. Allow the child to do his or her own work. This is one important thing that we should do. There are other types of parents who will say, don't do this, don't do that, this is not right, that is not right. Too many things. They stop the child from doing anything. So doing the child's work by say ourselves doing child's work is wrong. Second, when the child wants to do something, stopping him from doing by all, say, all types of fears is also not good. Never curse a child. Child learns many things by observation, by imitation. As parents, you have a responsibility. Whatever you are doing, they try to imitate you. First, they try to imitate the parents. Next, they try to imitate the guests. Next, they try to imitate the teachers. Next, they try to imitate other children. So, in which environment you are bringing up the child, that is very, very important. Whoever are around the child should help him, and you should behave yourself in such a way that how my child thinks about me when he grows. What happens if he learns these habits? If I go on shouting my wife, or my wife goes on shouting at me, what the child is going to learn out of that? So these are the things as parents you need to think about it. In Sanskrit, there is one sloka which tells us how the education takes place. Padam Guru Padascha. A child or a student learns 1/4 from the teacher. Padam Shishya Swamedaya. Padam Shishya Swamedaya means 1/4 of knowledge comes from within. Padam Sahabrahmacharicha means another 1/4 knowledge he learns from other students. Here, not only students, the entire environment comes here. Means parents, teachers, and students. From them, they learn. From the surroundings, from the environment, from observation, they learn. So this 1/4 comes from this observation. Padam kalakramenacha. No parent should think that the entire knowledge should come to his child immediately. It will come with time. There is a process. This process takes some time. You need to have that patience. And each child learns at or in his own pace, in his own pace. So you should understand the pace at which he learns. When he commits a mistake, you should learn how to tell him in a nice way, not by shouting at him. Please remember that children tell lies not just for the sake of that, because you shout at them. When they do something wrong, allow him to tell that. Don't shout at him immediately. Try to see how you can tell your child in a proper way at appropriate time. Then the child doesn't mind to tell the truth for you. When you shout at him, naturally he learns how to hide those facts. So as parents, we are responsible for all these things. I know as parents, you know many more things. You have children, have grandparents, they also know many more things. I don't think that I'm more experienced than all of them. But whatever little I know, I try to present it here. I hope you take these things in appropriate way. I thank the teachers for giving me this opportunity. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. We are the children. We are the ones who make the world bright. Children are the future of every nation across the world. It's today's generation who can make the world a better place. Bright faces that you're going to see now, performing on stage, showing their talents. Proud parents, stick right here, smiling, very good. Parents, please listen to the instructions have Sanvi, Ovia and Aryaman going to perform for Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गौरीप्रणयाय गौरीप्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गो सहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय